Hey guys, Bricklayer here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bootable drive off of an ISO file. The requirements for this video, or project I should say, is a Windows computer, 8 gigabytes or more removable media drive that you can boot off with, and Rufus. The link is in the comments, pinned comment. So what you're going to do is, once you open Rufus, you're going to go and select your device, select your ISO file, it's going to go all the way down here, and get your ISO image. Make sure it's compatible with Rufus. Get your partition scheme to MBR, which is default for me. BIOS or UEFI CSM for target system. You can name your USB drive anything you want in the volume label. File system is NTFS. Cluster size is default. It's optional if you want, but I recommend the default 4096. Make sure to back up your drive because they will the Rufus will remove everything on the drive, so make sure to back up your drive because it's gonna format it. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. At 20 subscribers, I will give you a device list. I'll give you a list of all of my devices. So that's kind of neat. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video.